Namaste. You are listening to MTP Motivation Through Physics, written by Konam Srikanth, SK Sir, and narrated by Mitali Pirangute. Respected students, parents, teachers, I dedicate this to my dear students whose unwavering support and love inspired me to make physics as engaging as possible. The respect and response from students across various states where I taught are cherished memories. Writing this book is a joyous endeavor to motivate young minds. Filled with simple life quotes, intertwined with basic physics concepts and definitions, it's my belief that when what we know, what we do, and what we work for align, life becomes fulfilling. This book is a modest attempt to present physics in a unique and accessible way, encouraging a different perspective on the subject. It's all about motivation through physics, MTP. Konam Srikanth, SK Sir, alumni of IIT Madras, MSc Physics, 15 years of experience as physics teacher in IIT, JEE, NEET, EAMCET, and Olympiad. Motivator, author. Motivation through physics. Motivation is an ultimate thing to develop interest in our mind to achieve anything. Being a physics teacher, I have written this book to inspire you in a simple way, using simple motivational thoughts, using physics concepts. Here you will understand the importance of our own creative thinking in each and every small thing. I promise you that you will develop an habit of getting interested in writing your own thoughts, especially on what we are working, what we like, and what we are best at. Let's begin our journey by understanding things needed to solve. P. Practice. Everything becomes easy after practice. H. Hard work. Hard work beats talent mostly. Y. Yearning. A strong desire always needs to succeed. S. Sincerity. Sincerity adds an extra success in your life. I. Interest. Interest turns things effective. C. Concentration. Concentration increases productivity. S. Sense. Sense save our time and makes life simple. I have even included few motivational quotes which will definitely inspire you to think positively and practically throughout your life. Here is the first QOL, quote of the life. QOP. There is no substitution for hard work with love and passion. It's the only key that takes you to success, because success is the sum of all efforts repeated day in and day out. SK Sir. MTP. Dive into physics. The key to unraveling the universe mysteries. Learn its secrets, and you will hold the power to shape a future filled with endless possibilities and exciting discoveries. QOL, quote of the life. Be positive. When everything is going against what you planned for, be energetic. When you have to do a lot of work, be enthusiastic. When you want to learn new things, be practical. When you dream about anything, be focused. When you are working on any of your plan, be confident. When you get an opportunity, be fearless. When you are going to face hurdles, but be happy always. SK Sir. MTP, Motivation Through Physics. Knowing life's basics brings happiness. Just like understanding the fundamentals in physics makes the rest easier. SK Sir. Fundamental definitions, concepts and formulae always make you confident and fearless in solving physics. QOL. The beauty of life shines through when one possesses the skill to gracefully adapt to various situations. SK Sir. MTP, Motivation Through Physics. Think of life as moving in one direction. Sometimes you go at a steady pace, like walking smoothly, uniform motion. Other times, you need to speed up or slow down at a constant rate, uniform acceleration. And occasionally, you have to adjust your speed in a non-constant way to overcome obstacles and reach your goals, non-uniform acceleration. Life is like a journey with different speeds, but adapting helps you get where you want to go. SK Sir. Life is a journey with everyone going in their own direction. To reach your goals, sometimes you need to adjust your attitude and approach along the way. QOL. Generate ideas. Approach them with a unique attitude and work on them with a clear and proper direction. This combination of creativity, a distinctive mindset, and a focused approach can lead to the development of innovative and successful outcomes. SK Sir. MTP. Sharing your ideas in a focused direction is like launching a particle. Projectile motion with 45 degrees can get maximum range in a specific direction for maximum reach. Just as a projected particle can achieve its farthest point, your ideas can have a broader impact when directed with precision. SK Sir. Success is the outcome of generating ideas, crafting plans, executing them with decisive actions, and observing the positive results that follow. QOL. Begin the day with good thought and great hope all the time. SK Sir. MTP, Motivation Through Physics. No matter how hard you try to reach great heights, there is always a pull backward, just like when a stone thrown upward has gravitational pull downward. But what matters is all about to what great height you reach before you fall down by overcoming all the opposition. SK Sir. Face every challenge head on in the journey of success. Break through opposition, reach for your goals, and let nothing stand in the way of your achievements. Your potential knows no limits. Embrace the resilience that propels you forward. QOL. Think about good changes. They are the key to making our lives better. Embrace the positive transformations that can bring joy and success into your journey. SK Sir. MTP. If you don't try to accelerate your life, then you cannot change your momentum in your life, just like a particle moving with zero acceleration can't change its velocity and momentum. SK Sir. In life, change is inevitable. Don't resist it. Instead, steer your life towards the good, the better, and the best. Embrace change and let it be the catalyst for positive transformation. QOL. Find your own way to reach your goals and tackle tough times. Your special way is how you beat challenges and make it to your target. SK Sir. MTP. In the concept of riverboat, how a specific speed and direction is needed to reach the target, specific point, otherwise just reaches opposite bank at random point. Same way in life, we need proper plan and required hard work to reach the precise target. SK Sir. While life may seem random, focus your determination and dedication solely on your goal. In the midst of unpredictability, let your commitment be the constant guiding force. QOL. Good, better, best. Good arrangement makes your planning superior, and way better planning gives you best result. Arrange plan, prepare well, and get result you deserve. SK Sir. MTP. Newton said, push or drag ought to alter state of body. Same way, self-motivation or self-control is continuously had to be alter the fate. SK Sir. Push yourself towards work and pull out all your negativity to reach your goals. QOL. Avoid negative company and fill your mind with positivity. SK Sir. MTP. Much like the imaginary force acting on a particle in a non-inertial frame, pulling it in the opposite direction of acceleration, associating with insincere people can exert a negative force on your mind. It's essential to be aware of such forces and navigate your relationships with authenticity to maintain a positive mindset. SK Sir. A positive mindset, optimistic thinking, and being around positive people boost your confidence in life. QOL. Maintain a calm approach and avoid overreacting to every situation in life. SK Sir. MTP. Similar to Newton's law stating that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction, it's wise to respond equally and appropriately to the actions that happen in your life. Balance and proportionate reactions contribute to a well-adjusted approach. SK Sir. Before acting, take a moment to think and respond with a measured reaction. Consistently providing thoughtful responses contributes to better decision making. QOL. Dream big. Don't give a break. Keep working hard and reach your goals. Life is all about dare to live, live to dream, dream to achieve. SK Sir. MTP. As friction, resistive force, anticipates us from slipping, strong and resistive intellect anticipates us from veering off from right path. Like rough surface tries to prevent body from slipping by developing friction until it reaches limiting value, we must develop sufficient resistive constraint in your brain which can avoid you from all superfluous things. SK Sir. Cultivate a necessary resistance and disdain for all that is useless and wrong in life. This infusion of negativity serves as a powerful catalyst, strengthening your confidence and propelling you towards a more positive and successful journey. QOL. Don't just try to work hard always. It is also important to take advantage of smart work sometimes. SK Sir. MTP. As energy and work depends on each other, also preparation and proper plan. Energy needs work and work makes body pick up in energy. Similarly, preparation needs a proper plan and proper plan makes your preparation better and best. SK Sir. Pour your dedication and energy into your work, igniting a genuine interest that fuels your enthusiasm. This blend of passion and proper execution is the key to turning plans into successful achievements. QOL. Code of the Life. No one knows your abilities better than you, so just figure out them, work on them, and definitely you will improve your performance. SK Sir. MTP. Similar to the law of conservation of momentum in physics, maintaining our personal momentum is crucial. In the absence of external distractions, we can strive to preserve our focus and energy, ensuring a steady and constant progress towards our goals. SK Sir. When you zero in on your distractions and minimize them, you pave the way for an unstoppable flow of positive momentum. With clarity and focus, you can tackle any amount of work without hesitation. QOL. The way you work hard doesn't alter your life alone. It's moreover critical that the way you think. Think superior. At that point, you will do best in your life. SK Sir. MTP. Law of conservation of mechanical energy says potential energy may change, kinetic energy may change, but total energy remains constant. Similarly, number of hours you squandered and number of hours you utilized may vary, but add up to number of hours per day remains same. SK Sir. Don't worry about counting pages or finishing tasks. Just concentrate on your work. Keep going, and you will get there without even realizing it. QOL. If you don't know how to utilize time, then you frequently fall ill, like feeling stressed or bored. SK Sir. MTP. Particle needs minimum KE at lowest position to reach the top position of vertical circular motion. Same way, mind needs least negativity to reach the stature you craved to reach in your life. So have positive mind and go ahead. SK Sir. In every task, some effort is essential to meet deadlines. Even the smallest exertion can make a significant impact on completing the job within the allotted time. QOL. Transform into the powerful machine of your own life, conquering tasks in less time than expected. Channel your inner strength to accelerate through challenges and accomplish your goals efficiently. SK Sir. MTP. Powerful people, like efficient machines, take less time to finish tasks. It's a simple equation. More power means less time spent getting things done, showcasing the inverse relationship between power and task completion time. SK Sir. Recognizing the significance of time and understanding its value is crucial. Time, once spent, cannot be regained, making it essential to prioritize and appreciate its importance. QOL. Nothing stops you in leading this life happily as long as you prepare your mind to learn new things every day. SK Sir. MTP. Address life's obstacles elastically and precisely, reflecting with equivalent momentum to pivot towards your objectives, just like a particle rebounding with conservation of energy and altering its trajectory in pursuit of the target. SK Sir. Face problems, tackle them, and bounce back stronger. Be like a resilient force that conquers difficulties with ease and emerges as a stronger person. QOL. Don't just think about gaining always. It's also important to think about losing something like anger, laziness. SK Sir. MTP. You must be like a rigid elastic surface when a problem hits you, so that it rebounds back with same velocity and you stay calm. SK Sir. Life throws a sequence of situations your way with problems lining up. Stay calm. Face them with unwavering resolve and tight determination. Let nothing alter your mindset. Be as unyielding as a sturdy structure against life's challenges. QOL. Don't be afraid to fail. You can succeed. Don't be afraid to lose. You can still gain. Be happy always. Have peace of mind. SK Sir. MTP. You must not be having perfectly inelastic mind so that whenever a problem hits you randomly, obliquely, then you lose your energy, kinetic energy, and just stick to it and travel with it. SK Sir. Never let a problem linger in your mind for too long. It takes a toll on both mental and physical health. Either seek a solution or adjust your mindset. Just like in physics, unburden your system to maintain optimal balance and well-being. QOL. Learn to manage time. You finished up expert in being cheerful. SK Sir. MTP. Problems in life try to deform your mindset, but you must develop a resistive mind to regain your mindset. Just like when a deforming force acts on a solid body, it develops a restoring force to regain its original shape. SK Sir. In life, time acts as a transformative force, revealing the good in bad and vice versa. Exercise patience, for with the passage of time, perspectives evolve and a broader understanding emerges. QOL. Just learn to say no to your mind. Real self-control. SK Sir. MTP. The deeper you go under the water, the greater the pressure of the water pushing down on you. Similarly, the challenges in life are like the water. The more you think of them, the more they get onto your nerves. SK Sir. Refuse to let your mind dwell on problems. Saying no to overthinking prevents undue pressure and safeguards your performance from unnecessary strain. QOL. Control your mind. Avoid distractions. Reach your target. SK Sir. MTP. Similar to a hydraulic lift operating on Pascal's law, we can alleviate heavy stress on our minds by applying a small amount of effort with proper planning and execution. We can elevate our mental well-being just as the lift raises heavy objects efficiently. SK Sir. Small efforts daily can bring big results in life. Plan wisely and watch the positive changes unfold. QOL. People criticize when you do bad work and even good work. So just listen to your mind, heart, and check yourself. SK Sir. MTP. Under steady temperature, pressure, and volume, inversely proportional to each other, but product gives same result. Similarly, under steady mind, smart work and hard work, inversely proportional to each other, but product gives same result. It is important to balance both smart and hard work in life to get success. SK Sir. The stress on the mind and regular efforts are inversely proportional. Stay focused to maintain the balance. QOL. Two most precious things than money: confidence and character. SK Sir. MTP. Much like a pendulum completing its oscillation within a specific time, achieving your goal is also a timely endeavor. The outcome depends on your surroundings and the length of your vision, much like an infinitely long perspective guiding your path. SK Sir. Envelop yourself with positive influences, just as a pendulum's motion is guided by its surroundings. Extend your vision towards your goals, and like a well-supported pendulum, you will find the right path to achieve them. QOL. 3 things to be learned to become better person all the time: controlling anger, increasing patience levels, forgiving people. SK Sir. MTP. Similar to the way the frequency of a sound wave decreases when either the receiver or the source moves away from the observer, in life, ensure you don't distance yourself from your sources and targets. This proximity is crucial to maintaining a high frequency of opportunities and increasing your chances of success. SK Sir. Stick to your goals. Don't get distracted and keep moving towards them with focused effort. QOL. Dream big and don't give a break. Keep working hard. It's okay if someone laughing at you. It's okay if someone is pulling your leg. You just keep going and working hard towards your goals. No matter what anyone else says, because if you can't protect yourself and dream for yourself, nobody else can. SK Sir. Physics. P. Play. H. Happily. Y. Yourself by. S. Simplifying. I. Imagining. C. Creating. S. Solving. QOL. Removing negative thoughts from our minds can initially be challenging, but once accomplished, it can bring about amazing changes in our lives. Give it a try and witness the positive transformation. SK Sir. MTP. Motivation through physics. When we remove electrons from a body, it becomes positive. Same way, you remove negative thoughts from your mind, you become positive about hurdles in life and you become confident. SK Sir. Let more positive thoughts in and let fewer negative thoughts out with a ratio greater than 1 for a happier mindset. QOL. Changing your life for success may involve letting go of your ego, but it's important not to sacrifice your success just to appease your ego. Prioritize what truly leads to your success over personal pride. SK Sir. MTP. Motivation through physics. Be positive by removing negative thoughts from your brain, just like a body becomes positively charged after removing electrons from it. SK Sir. Drop the ego, adopt positivity, and make it a habit. QOL. One of the finest joys is when we learn something new. Try learning unused things and encounter incalculable bliss. SK Sir. MTP. A charged body can overcome balance, gravitational drag, with the help of a certain amount of electric field with an appropriate direction. Same way, we can overcome each issue in life with a certain sum of exertion with an appropriate plan. SK Sir. It's perfectly fine to seek help from supportive people around you when facing resistance or opposition in your life. QOL. Being surrounded by the right people enhances your strength and abilities, making you capable of achieving even the most challenging goals. SK Sir. MTP. Our capabilities and abilities to possess positive energy depends on people around us. Just like capability, potential of a charged body to possess energy depends on surrounding charges. SK Sir. Recognize your abilities, seek assistance when needed, and enhance your capability to approach tasks in the right way. QOL. Sometimes, to gain stability in what you are working on, you may need to shift or rotate your thoughts, changing your perspective for a more solid foundation. SK Sir. MTP. You must rotate yourself to have stability in the presence of external opposing effects, just like when an electric dipole, inclined opposite to electric field, tries to align along the field to become stable by rotating through an angle. SK Sir. When working with the right mindset, sometimes a change of place may be necessary, not necessarily a shift in your thinking. Stay aware of what is beneficial and detrimental to ensure you are on the right path. QOL. There is a significant difference between being capable of doing something and being currently able to do it. S.K. Sir. MTP. Sometimes physics won't work in real life. If we increase the distance between positive and negative plates of capacitor, its capacity decreases, but in reality, if we keep our negative thoughts as far away as possible from our positive mind, then our capabilities, confidence, efficiency increases. S.K. Sir. It's not sufficient to be capable. It's crucial to ensure that you are continuously able to sustain your efforts. QOL. Never compromise in your life to change yourself to become better person than yesterday. S.K. Sir. MTP. Beware of electric shock that generated by flow of negative thoughts through our mind, just like flow of negative charges, electrons, causes electricity. S.K. Sir. Don't let anyone surprise you for the wrong reasons. Instead, stay observant and learn about those around you. QOL. Shift your thoughts by drifting your mind towards your goals, which can lift you up in your life. S.K. Sir. MTP. Positive thoughts drift your mind towards a path that leads towards success, just like electric field drifts electrons towards a direction to get resultant current. S.K. Sir. No one can uplift you in life better than you uplift yourself. QOL. Concentrate on factors that diminish negativity in your mind. This enhances your performance and propels you towards becoming a more successful person in life. S.K. Sir. MTP. Resistivity increases on increasing temperature as it reduces relaxation time. And same way, in our life, productivity increases by increasing concentration, which reduces resistance in our mind. S.K. Sir. Positive focus and concentration can significantly boost your productivity multiple times over. Stay positive to maximize your efficiency. QOL. Balancing your mind and heart with positive thoughts and ideas can undoubtedly bring about significant and positive changes in your life. S.K. Sir. MTP. Galvanometer shows 0 reading when Wheatstone bridge is balanced. But when you balance your thoughts and emotions, your mind gives best readings on success meter. S.K. Sir. Just as an imbalanced diet can harm our health, unbalanced thoughts can negatively impact our mind and life. It's essential to maintain control and strive for balance. QOL. EMF. Energy motivation for mind. Needs in everyone's life. MTP. EMF of a cell causes flow of current in a wire, and EMF, evergreen motivational force, causes thought process in our brain, which results flow of ideas in our mind. S.K. Sir. everyone must follow. QOL. While external factors may present resistance, what truly matters is the strength of your internal resistance against them. SK Sir. MTP. To pull out maximum power of your brain, you must have equal resistive mind power that of external opposing forces in achieving anything. Just like to get maximum power from a battery, we must connect an external resistance equal to its internal resistance. SK Sir. Resist yourself from getting distracted and develop sufficient resistance to all the distractions. QOL. Undoubtedly, discipline and determination definitely drives you towards your destination. SK Sir. MTP. In the presence of negative people moving around you may distract you from your path, just like flow of electrons, negative charges through a conducting wire deviates a moving charge from its own path. SK Sir. Don't deviate from your path for any reason. QOL. Be confident. Nurture your character. Create your own creativity. Then you can conquer anything with your courage. SK Sir. MTP. An indirect EMF, extra motivational force, can be developed in mind by taking simple actions towards our aim. Just like a simple motion of a vertical rod brings an induced EMF, electromotive force, in it when you move it perpendicular to its length inside magnetic field. SK Sir. Additional tasks require extra motivation, applying an additional force to accomplish them. QOL. Dare to live. Live to dream. Dream to achieve. But remember, achievement is not an ultimate destination. SK Sir. MTP. A flow of increasing positive thoughts in our mind can result in self-motivation, just like increasing flow of current in a coil can cause self-induction. SK Sir. Increase your thinking ability to improve your performance. QOL. Deal everything with smile, because anger reduces our thinking ability. SK Sir. MTP. You must not allow your brain to work like AC, which changes its direction alternatively after every regular interval. It is best if you allow your flow of thoughts and ideas unidirectional towards your goal, just like DC source, which always produces unidirectional current. SK Sir. Avoid changing your thoughts too frequently, as it can impact your focus and concentration. QOL. There is a solution for every problem in life. Just learn to accept it and be happy with the solution. SK Sir. MTP. In the absence of any external deviation, you can travel towards your goal with maximum momentum, just like light travels with maximum speed in vacuum in the absence of any medium. SK Sir. When you lose control, you become susceptible to uncontrolled factors. rendering your life more vulnerable and challenging. QOL. One of the best qualities and most important quality that avoids most of the problems in our life is common sense. SK Sir. MTP. Minimum efforts are needed from our side to pull out all the negative thoughts from our mind, just like a photon with minimum frequency is needed to remove an electron from the metal surface. SK Sir. Just as you can't lift a load without effort, you can't elevate your life without consistent and ongoing efforts. QOL. There is nothing like failure in this world. Either we learn or we win. So never lose hope. H. High. O. Order. P. Positive. E. Energy. SK Sir. MTP. When you get excited, try to emit all your emotions and you can come back to relaxed state just like an excited electron emits photons to come back to ground state and relaxes. SK Sir. Maintain control over your emotions and withdraw when they surpass your ability to manage, allowing yourself the space to relax. QOL. Stay positive and strong, even when everything going against what you planned for. Don't worry about falling because you have chance to rise again. SK Sir. MTP. Every person has the same density of ideas in brain, just like nucleus density is same for every atom. But we need enough practice to make them real. SK Sir. Keep going with your ideas. Plan, execute, and prove them. QOL. In life, there are no unsolvable problems. You just need to accept the best possible solutions available. SK Sir. MTP. Have stable mind by reducing number of unsolved problems within the brain. Like radioactive element undergoes decay process and reduces undecayed atoms to become stable. SK Sir. Your ability and stability are influenced by how effectively you can clear unresolved problems from your mind. QOL. Never think of Plan B when you work with Plan A because it definitely reduces your focus and concentration on Plan A. SK Sir. MTP. Adding impurities improves ability of semiconductor, and having purity in mind and heart gives improvement in your character. SK Sir. Enhancing your life and character involves continually adding positive qualities. Keep incorporating them to make your life more colorful. Thank you. Konam Srikant, SK Sir, alumni of IIT Madras, MSc Physics, Physics teacher, IIT JEE, NEET, EAM CET and Olympiad, motivator, author.